Our Serological Precision water baths are setting a new standard, with enhanced features that simplify workflows and maximize productivity. Its rugged construction, compact footprint, advanced temperature controls, ease of use, and safety features clearly make our water baths a smart choice for your lab. It has water outlet for emptying the tank, along with a stirring feature for uniformity of temperature control. Set the temperature by clicking Set button on Temperature Controller, and set temperature to a desired value using up and down keys. Let's set to 53 degrees. Now press Set to confirm. This switch is for mains on, off, and other switches for stir. Now wait till the desired temperature is attained. PID controller will maintain the temperature as it is set by user. It's an ideal choice when temperature uniformity is required, and control are particularly critical, as when working in serological applications. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates.